There's one thing I really hate about Sephora Play is I hate these bags. Most of them I kind of think they're relatively ugly. I don't really like them. And I don't know who carries these around. I don't know. I still keep them like a hoarder, but never going to use them. So this month it says 2018 Happy New Year. And the 2018 is her little crown and it has little blue accents. It's okay. I mean, still never going to use it, but it's fine. So the first thing I pull out is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I've heard about this before, never tried it. It feels like it has a good amount of product in it to get a full use out of. So there's that. It has no sulfates, no silicones, or no parabens. So on the card, it says, repair your hair, a rich, nourishing hair mask made with naturally derived ingredients that moisturizes and protects strands. So after you shampoo, you put that in your hair and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse with water. And it is infused with rosehip oil, argan oil, collagen, and silk. So I bet it smells really good. So that'll be nice to try. Next thing is the Ole Henriksen Nurture something Hydro Clay Detox Mask. That's what it looks like. It's a good size mask. On the little card it says Detox and Delight, a gentle clay mask that draws out impurities and replenishes moisture with 5 botanical oils. Its calming formula is perfect for sensitive skin. So that is awesome because I like clay masks, but sometimes they're a little bit too harsh for me, so I bet this will be super nice because it's for sensitive skin. So the word that I can't pronounce, which is Hygge, that could go a lot of ways, so I'm just not even going to try it. It says it's a Danish word for the feeling of coziness and contentment. So I guess that's a good name for that. It says to apply a thick layer over a clean, dry face, avoiding eye and mouth. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse with a warm washcloth. So this will be nice to try. I always love a good mask. Then we have the Lancome Cils Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. I don't know that I've tried this one. I kind of feel like I have. Maybe. I've tried one of these before. I really liked it. I've heard really good things about this one. I still think I've tried it, but whatever. So it says Lush Lashes, a creamy conditioning primer, preps lashes for a smooth application and a boost of drama. So you just put this on before you put your mascara, and it's supposed to help make your lashes look better. So that's always great. Next thing is I saw this on their little preview and I was super excited because I've never tried anything from Glam Glow and I've wanted to try their stuff, but it's so expensive, so I've never gotten anything. But this is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So that's a good size. And it says, at home with foam, ultra creamy cleanser uses a blend of 3 charcoals to clear pores and remove excess oil and makeup. Squeeze onto hands, add water, rub hands to create a foamy lather. Question, I've been using my Clarisonic and I don't normally use it that much. I'm trying to get back into it. Could I use this with my Clarisonic cream to foam? Will that work? I don't know. If you try this, let me know if it works with the Clarisonic. If not, I can just use it regular with my hands. But just wondering if you know if I can. So let me know. Okay, there's that. Then we have the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Super tiny little baby guy. I think I've tried this before. I've tried something from the Pep Start line. I'm pretty sure it was this eye cream and I did not like it. It burned my under eyes. So we'll try it and see if it does that, and if it does, it's going in the garbage. A hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. Say goodbye to tired eyes with this moisturizing and brightening eye cream powered by peptides. It will keep you looking refreshed all day long, no matter how little sleep you got. So there is that. Hopefully it doesn't burn my eyes like I remember it doing, but whatever. Then there is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, primer plus moisturizer in one. So it comes in this little thingy. And this is the size, super tiny little guy. I love the Smashbox primer water, and I really like Smashbox primer or products, Smashbox products. So hopefully this will be a nice little primer. Let's see, it says lightweight, non-greasy primer and moisturizer, delivers deep hydration while prepping skin for makeup. I feel like I would still put moisturizer on because I have like my little skincare routine that I do, so that would mess that up if I did this after the fact. But I do, even though I do have relatively oily skin, I still like to do a glowy, dewier primer. It's really why I like the primer water, because it gives me that little bit of extra moisture, and then I'll just use whatever foundation I feel like. So hopefully I'll really like this. It's a nice little size to try it. The only thing is we didn't get a perfume sample this month, so I wonder what our extra product was. I'm assuming it would be this since it's a packet, but I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what products you got in your box, because these, I know not everybody gets the same products every month, so let me know what you got down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.